In this video, you will learn what is Quicken Simplifi used for. Quicken Simplifi is a personal finance app designed to help individuals manage their money very easily by providing real-time insights into their financial life. It allows users to track their spending, set budgets and stay on top of financial goals. The app automatically categorizes transactions from your linked accounts, such as bank accounts, credit cards and loans, to give a clear overview of where your money is going. One of its standout features is its budgeting tool. This helps set up a monthly budget, tracking progress and receiving alerts when you're too close to exceeding the limit. Additionally, Simplifi provides a financial insight, showing trends on your spending habits and offering suggestions for you to save money. The app also includes tools for setting and tracking financial goals, such as saving for a vacation, building up an emergency fund, or even saving for a house. Overall, Simplifi helps you stay organised and informed without needing any manual input, whether you want to keep track of expenses or plan for the future. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.